Hi Diva fans, so a quick packing tip for you. When going through security, through TSA, and on your carry-on, this is my carry-on, you have to take out anything bigger than a cell phone. So here's my iPad, have to take that out. Here's my laptop, have to take that out. Now, they made us take all our food out. So a packing tip would be, I put everything in a Ziploc bag. So here is my Ziploc bag of food. So traveling with my twin infants, right here is a large Ziploc, and I put all our snacks in it. Normally, I have heard this before, that you have to take all your snacks out of your bag. People were mentioning it when they travel. So here I have Ziploc 1, Ziploc 2, I know we have one, Ziploc 3, the girls take home snacks from Disney. There may be more in here. Ziploc 4, all these Ziplocs we put in our carry-on, so when we go through security and pull out the Ziploc bags, you're not hunting through my large, my video just went everywhere, my large carry-on, pulling everything out. If you pack in the Ziploc, large gallon Ziploc bags, it makes going through security, should you have to take them out. 2 different airports, to and from Orlando, we had to take our snacks out.